Are you looking to customize and personalize your perfumes? Make your own perfume can do it for you. Welcome to yet another video of Fragrant Gem, guys. Now, I recently completed my 150,000 followers on Instagram, and my brother gifted me this. Now, this is Make Your Own Perfume, MYOP, and they happen to be an amazing website, and they even have stores, by the way. After getting this package, I was very much interested into this brand, and I did a little bit research, and I came to know that they have 20 stores across the country. So that is like a very big thing. These are the stores where you can literally just visit and check out the perfume notes and stuff, so you can customize your own perfume, like how strong you want it, or if you wanted mild, you wanted light, or you wanted very much strong. So the first bottle was for my sister, and this is how the bottle looks like. Now, the name of the perfume here is Bangalore Bloom, and the second one was my favorite one, which is this. Now let me show you how cool is this. This is how it opens, and here we'll be able to see the bottle. Here you can see the name engraved on my bottle. This is the main USP of the brand, customization of the perfume just like you want it, and then personalizing the bottle. So let's say it can be for yourself or for someone you want to gift it to, or anything you want. Now let me just test this out and remind myself how this smells like. I'm wearing this perfume for almost like 10 to 15 days now, and it lasts for more than 10 hours, that is for sure. And getting a high quality perfume with customization and personalization thing is like another happiness, to be honest. And the main thing here is that this customization and personalization thing is not just limited to their stores. You can even customize or personalize on their website as well. They have a very nice user interface. I mean, it is not at all complicated. It's easy to use, and they give a lot of options. They use high concentration of fragrance oil, that is like up to 50 to 60%, and this thing actually gives you highest performance, longevity, sillage, and everything in optimum manner. So yeah, Make Your Own Perfume is making a good difference here in perfume industry, because you are not just buying the perfume here, you are selecting the kind of bottle that you want. Yeah, I mean, in case I forgot, you can even select the bottle that you want. You can select the quantity of the perfume, let's say 50 or 100 ml, and after everything is done, you can engrave your bottle. So yeah, it gives you an entire experience of how you can make your own perfume. So yeah, for this Christmas, for this new year, my personal recommendation will be ignore all those boring gifts and gift them, like your family, your loved ones, or even to yourself. Gift them this. I'll mention their website link and Instagram link in the description. You can just check it out, and go ahead and make your own perfume. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and have a great day.